Imagine scrolling through Instagram and suddenly seeing India's finance minister herself giving investment advice. It looks real. It sounds real though. You trust it, and within weeks, your life savings are gone. This is not a movie, this is a shocking cyber fraud that has been surfaced in Pune, where a businessman lost around 1.07 crore after falling victim to an AI generated deepfake video. And the most alarming part, this scam could happen to anyone. Artificial intelligence is making life easier, but in the wrong hands. It is becoming one of the biggest weapons for the cyber criminals. The last victim is a Pune based businessman who was allegedly duped through a fake investment scheme that used a deep fake video of Union Finance Minister, that is Nirmala Sitharaman. Here is how the entire fraud unfolded. Let's try to understand. The businessman came across a video on Instagram that appeared to show Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman advising people to invest in an online trading platform. The video looked completely genuine, convincing him that it was an authentic government backed investment opportunity. He clicked on the link attached to the post and were asked to submit personal details, including the Aadhaar card and other valuable documents in that link. The next day, a person contacted him on Telegram, claiming to be a relationship manager. He helped the businessman open an online trading account and asked him to make an initial investment of just 20,341 rupees. Soon after, the fraudsters transferred 1,000 into his account as profit of the first investment. That small return built his confidence and convinced that the businessman that the platform was real and genuine. Over the next few weeks, the accused kept encouraging him to invest larger amounts between July. Entire thing was done between June 2nd to July 23rd, with the businessman transferred money through 36 different transactions, investing a total amount of 1.07 crore. On the trading dashboard of his profits kept increasing every day, giving him the impression that his money was growing rapidly. But the moment he requested to withdraw his investment, everything stopped. The so-called relationship manager disappeared. Message went unanswered. The platform became inaccessible. That's when the businessman realized he had been cheated. Police says the fraudsters used AI generated deepfake video, trading platforms, and even claimed that the investments were linked to SpaceX pre listing shares to gain the victim trust. The businessman first reported the incident on the National Cybercrime Reporting Portal before approaching the Pune Cyber Police. A case has been now registered and an investigation is still underway to trace those behind the entire scam that has been taken place. This case is a wake-up call. Deepfake technology has become so advanced that fake videos can look almost identical to the real person. Cyber expert says no government official, minister or reputed organization will never ask people to invest through Instagram, Telegram or social media links. Always verify investment offers through official sources. If a scheme promises usual higher returns with little risk, treat it as a warning sign. Because in the age of artificial intelligence, seeing is no longer believing. Stay alert, stay informed, and stay safe. With camera person Swapnil, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.